Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to deliver lecture first for 10th class. Topic is a developments. First of all, I know about what is difference between growth and development. Both are different. First of all, economic growth to increase real national income and outputs, while economic developments state that improvement in quality of life and living standard. For examples, life expectancy, literacy rate, health care, per capita income, national income, etc. Development directional to growth. That means development is directly proportional to the growth. Different peoples have the different goals. Each and every person want to develop according to their wants, according to their needs. So different peoples have different goal of developments. What is developments for one might not be developed for others. That means development related with one person to another person, it is a maybe right. Now we have discussed development goal. Here development goal category goals. Few examples written here. Landless labor, they have want to develop more wages, more days of work. Prosperous farmers want to develop through the higher incomes. Urban unemployed youth employments, and Adivasi tribals want to develop educations, rising socio-economic equalities, and next, girls want to equality, freedom, social securities, etc. So different peoples have the different goal of development. Therefore development is a mixed goals, not a single goals. Development depend on following, which are more incomes, freedoms, equal treatments, securities, respect to other, safe environments. Now I want to explain national developments. What is national developments? National development ability to nation to improve the lives of citizens. That means improve the life of citizens such as educations, skill developments, employments, incomes, communications, transportations, etc. to be improved by the governments and societies. Measure the improvements can be increase in GDP, social aspect. That means we have measure the development through the incomes when GDP is a increase. GDP total monetary values of the product produced in a particular year is called GDP. That means total national incomes. National developments depend on the income growth. National income growth, per capita income growth. National developments also depend in the poverty alleviations. That means reduce the poverty in the country. National developments also depend on satisfactions of the social and economic needs. What is the social and economic needs? As like security, education, employments, banking, financing, etc., by which peoples are satisfied with social and economic needs. Sustainable, democratic and participatory societies. Now, comparing states and nations. How to compare nations or state on the basis of developments? That means incomes, according to incomes, higher incomes and lower incomes. Higher incomes which are more developed and lower incomes which are not developed. That means higher incomes which are developed and lower incomes are undeveloped in nations or states. For comparison of the average incomes or per capita incomes, in short term PCI. PCI defined as total incomes by the total populations. PCI, it is a PCI per capita income. It is a ratio of the total national income and total populations. That means per capita incomes indicate that which states are developed, which states are not developed according to PCI per capita incomes. Today I have studied growth versus development, economic growth, economic developments. Different peoples have different goals. So here given examples we have explained with few examples. Different peoples have the different goal of developments. So development is a mixed goals. Development depend on many factors as like incomes, freedoms, equalities, securities, social respect, safe environments and basic facilities. National developments which is also depend on the improvement life of the citizens. Major improvements can be increase in GDP and per capita incomes, income growth, poverty elimination, satisfaction of the social and economic needs, satisfactions, democratic and participatory society. Comparison state and nations on the basis of national incomes. So income is a measuring rods of the developments, but I will study in next video beside incomes measurement of developments through the other criteria. So thank you.